Are you unhappy with the aesthetics of your environment? Do you find your surrounding space to be functionally and psychologically draining? Do you feel the need to add creativity and innovation into your space? This interior design course is structured to help you redesign and transform your existing environment to be able to better reflect your personality while catering to your needs. This course enables you to be able to design and build concepts that you're passionate about while focusing on user-friendly spaces and creative design solutions. My name is Sophia Wanchamir. I'm an instructor at the Center for Continuing Education, LUMS. I teach interior design. I'm a practicing architect and interior designer, and my specialization is from Domus Academy, Milan, Italy. I'm also a PCADP licensed consultant. In this course, students will be able to express themselves through visualizations, freehand drawings, collages, and mood boards. They will be able to understand spatial layouts, working interior drawings, as well as essential 3D development. By the end of this course, students will be able to plan, conceive, design, present, and build interior spaces regardless of their experience and academic background. Registration for this course is now open. Rest assured, it'll be a fun and engaging class. So please sign up at ces.lums.edu.bk.